Welcome to part 7 of my Minecraft series. The last video was a huge disaster, but what really happened was I killed the enemies, I killed the Endermen, zombies, and spiders everywhere, but I ran away from the spider. So now, guess what I got? I just got my own pearl, an ender pearl, but it was a huge video, but it was a huge disaster. And then later on in the video, I got happy because I just found some diamonds. Let's just go to the adventure, maybe. Yeah, maybe. So let's just try to go into. I'm gonna go and get some food. We only got a bit of cooked muffin, but I'm gonna eat all this. I'm sorry guys, because I need to eat all this. Okay, let's just go. Hold on, let me go. Okay, there we go. Now, today we're gonna go on an adventure to some sheeps and stuff. Alright. Wait, oh frick, I forgot torches. Well, I know you guys can barely see my stuff, but let's go. How are you gonna die? You're gonna die. So we got a bit of food. Now we can make some steak and stuff. Put some food. No, wait. Put it right there. It's shift click. Now I got more of them. Look at that. I got 64, 5. Look. That means I can make a bunch of torches. So now let's just try to wait. There's no sticks. Well, might as well get some sticks over there. Let's just let's make some 40 stacks of sticks. Now we need to make some 1, 2, 4. Alright. Let's just go mining. So I know last episode I blocked these caves right here because there's a full of skeletons, everything. But I'm gonna have to go through here because this is a bit scary. You know, might as well light up through the light so you can see the lag. So I just see an enemy in the cave. I hope we're gonna find large caves. That was close. Wait, is it? Yeah, we just might over here, wasn't it? Yeah, we might over here because it's a bit boring, but no, it's a bit boring. Close that. 9 begins. So find. Wait, that's the door. I love playing to Minecraft so much. But I'm sorry guys, because I will be changing my stream to like more of it, because it's really big and makes my stream even laggy enough. Because, you know, I just make the screen go big. But I want to keep the screen go big, basically. So I thought frick, didn't change the screen to big. But now, it won't lag. Is that coal? Wait. It's coal. It's coal right there. Give me some coal. I need to change this focus. It's so low. I need to change this vote. This vote's so low. So you have to like 84. Is it? Oh, that's way better than I thought it would be. So I know how to change the full screen because it removed my stuff for recording section. So I'm sorry guys, because I changed my screen to full screen because, you know, it just removed it. But now no. Oh, by the way, people who did this, because everyone beats the Ender Dragon that we're gonna have to beat. Okay, so let's just try to. My daddy is gonna sue you. Wait, cut it out. Cut it out. Okay. Scooby bop boppity bop boppity bop. Scooby boppity boopity boppity boop. Scooby boppity boppity boopity bop. I will go back home because this is a bit boring. I'm coming. Alright, we're almost home, basically. Okay, probably, yeah, it's probably still almost night time. But I'm gonna have to go sleep. Come on. Okay. I'll try to fix this again. Now. Okay. So let me see if I can if I can like throw this in the car right here. Zombies coming at me. Come on, take me too far. Take me. I did it. Wait a minute. This wasn't here before. Anyways, we're gonna go back home and go sleep because, you know, I don't want. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Jeez. Okay, go. Ooh. What is this? Sorry. Is that? I hate this. Just go. Just go. Just go. Just go. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Ah! Run, 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 run. Go, go, go. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Kill it. No, no. Go, 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 go. Get in the house. Get in the house. Come on. Please don't give me, don't give me, don't give me. Yes. Okay, there we go. Now I've got it. Now I'm gonna put my stuff inside here. My real stuff. So we're gonna have to. Damn, look at all food and stuff. Really? Okay, cooked beef. I got some cooked stuff. Huh? What time? Okay, so it's been 4 minutes. So it's 4 minutes. So now I'm gonna try to. Well, I'm gonna try to recently go adventure today. Now we are gonna have to try to do this. You up there, you up there, you up there. Okay, perfect. Perfect, 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 perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. Now this is perfect. How is the zombies? There we go. Ha! I changed this to be. I changed this. The sun. What are you gonna do? You try to murder us? Well, too bad. I'm the god of this world. That's right. Go, Felda. Ooh, is that a bow? I never see a bow before. I never see it before. And I play Minecraft on 360 and back in 2021. You remember, in 2021, but in birthday, especially 2021. So, yeah. Okay. So let's put the stuff in there. And up the video right here. Okay. Let's just put the armor over there. Okay. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. For next time do with James and Jamise. I'll see you in James and Jamise video.